your fridge door. Oh. What else is in there? Is it a cooker and a sink?
What's in the pot, Freda? Going to make dinner?
Oh, good one.
You like it too.
Oh, the orange is going in the cupboard.
Freda, where do you think you put an orange if you want to make it hot?
Yeah.
Do you want to put an orange in the microwave?
Where's the microwave?
Yeah.
Yeah. I think there's a handle.
Can you open it?
Got the handle.
Look.
That.
Look, there you go.
Yeah, this.
Are you going to make it hot?
Press the buttons. Beep, beep, beep.
Two oranges in the microwave. Golly.
Give it a good pull. Whoa!
Quite stiff, aren't they?
Look at Lisa. Freda, this is a present from Granny.
Yeah.
Can you say thank you, Granny? Oh, that's nice.
Do you want to put your apron on? Look, special for you, apron. No? Okay, we'll put that on later.
No, this.
You want to put it in the oven?
Oh, are you turning it on? Oh, shall I help? You want that open?
Yeah.
You can pull. Do you want to try pulling?
No, Mama.
There you go. You really need oven gloves if you're going to put things in the oven, yeah. Careful, is it hot? Oh, careful. It's hot in there, that's the oven, you have to be very careful.
Door.
Yeah, close the door. Well done.
Hey.